The UKP-Series from Carling Technologies, a Littelfuse brand, is a universal customizable membrane keypad that is compliant with SAE J1939 CAN standards. The keypads have above and below panel sealing and come in multiple size configurations. The UKP-Series features 200 standard laser-etched legends and up to 3 dimmable LED function lights. The keypads have a low-profile design. The buttons provide audible feedback and the LEDs will not be obscured when pressed. The UKP-Series can be mounted horizontally or vertically and can easily connect with a 4-pin Deutsch connector. Visit our website or contact us today for additional details.